Aruto aige kuma mahiu maracokereria thukuru thutha wa mutino wa mahiu kuringana na Kinyanjui Mwangi muikariri giti wa Kessha na Ikuru augite gicunji kinene kia aruto gitire kiracokereria wiki igiri thutha wa mutino wa mahiu.
The schools. So we have not compiled all the data, but every principal is reporting on what number of students they have and the number of students that have not reported this term. And we are following up to find out why they have not reported. Is it because of the flooding? Is it because of any other reason? So we are following up, and they are reaching out even to the chiefs to try and find out what it is that has stopped these students from reporting back to school.
What current situation?
We have told our principals to relax some of the rules, like reporting early, so that we encourage students to come to school. And when they come to school, the guidance and counseling department are revamped to ensure that they support them. You know, much of the reasons why students fail to come to school is fear. Probably they think the rains are going to pour and they're not be able to get.
Chairman wa Naivasha augite ni maranyitanira na ministry ya Githomo kuongania namba ya aruto aria matacokete.
But we are getting data, and very soon I know through our sub-county director of education we shall have a situational analysis of where we are. As the Kessha chairman has said, as principals we have relaxed the rules, at least for the moment. That issue of reporting very early in the morning for the students, which we were saying it's a must, we must always look at it through.
Mubunge wa Naivasha Jen Kihara augite wabici yake ni irateithia aruto makiria ma 100 na bithi na indo cia guthoma kurumirira mutino uyu.
Initially, I may not know the numbers, but what we have decided is that we go looking for them. There are those ones who are said to have been so traumatized that you can't even remember where your desk was, you can't remember how you are doing things. So the principals have also promised psychosocial support, which we are also doing. We are getting people, experts to do that. But so far so good. I think we are doing well. There are 132 that are affected, secondary school 55, who we have promised as a NGCDF to pay their school fees in full, special schools 2, university 3, and college 5. So we have gotten this data and we are reaching out to them.
Handu-ini ha Muthigi TV, Githomo wa Ngui wa Murioki.